We have over 10 in-person tours for you to choose from, but perhaps our most unique experience happens right here at our very own one-room schoolhouse. This authentic one-room school, known as the Stach School, represents thousands of its kind which once dotted the Kansas prairie. We offer a unique opportunity for Kansas students to experience history through our Rural School Days program. Our school teacher leads simultaneous lessons in recitations, arithmetic, geography, reading, and orthography. Your students play the part of pupils from 100 years ago as they sit at wooden desks, practice penmanship, take part in a spelling bee, and perhaps play a game of drop the hanky. We offer a 1-hour program for grades 1 through 6 and a 4-hour program for 4th and 5th graders.